Hey everyone. Okay, so I have 4 different masks in front of me. First of all, I want to say, hey guys, how you doing? It's been a hot minute since I've been live. I haven't really been feeling all that well, to be honest with you, but it's been a while since I've been on, so I just wanted to come on here, and I've been seeing these like mask tests on Instagram and Facebook and whatever. So since I have accumulated all these masks, I wanted to give a test, run on my own just to test it out. So I have the N95 mask, I have the regular cheapest mask that you can find. Then I have another N95 mask in a different version, which I actually really love this mask. This mask is actually very comfortable. I like the way it contours, like it fits perfectly to your face. Love it. Then I have the KN95 mask. You can see it says it right here. Oh, where is it? KN95 right there. This one's very comfortable. I like that it goes on like this. But again, I want to do a test just to see if the fire goes out. Now, let's start with the cheap mask first. Okay? Start with the cheap mask. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna put this on. Yeah, this is the right way. Okay. Gonna put it on good. Alright. So I did this before I came on live just to test it out, and it's really interesting. Watch. So watch how the flame moves. And it died out. Not even a second. You have no chance of survival with this mask. It's not made for like airborne viruses, so I mean, when I see people wearing this, I'm just like, I question them. I'm like, how's that gonna help you? You might as well not wear a mask. But hey, this is all people can afford, and this is all they have. So I have a suggestion for you. If this is the only kind of mask that you have, this is actually my sister's idea. She came up with this. I have no idea how, but very smart. She doubles this mask. She puts 2 masks, and then she takes a dry Swiffer and she cuts it into the shape that she needs, and she staples it or sews it in, and you wear that mask. It's so comfortable and fluffy. So definitely try the Swiffer method if this is all you can afford and this is all you could find in the store. Double it, triple it if you have to. Put this dry Swiffer inside, and it's nice and fluffy, but so comfortable as well. That's that. Next we have, this is from China. Well, they're all really from China, but this is the KN95 that I just got today, actually, courtesy of my niece. Thank you. So let's put this on. Let's try this one. This one wasn't that bad, but it also died out. All right. So you can see that it's moving. And if I go like this, oh, you put a hole in it. It'll die out. You see? So now that it has a hole in it, I can throw it out, but it's okay. I have more where that came from. I would rate this mask, to be honest with you, I would rate it like from 0 to 100. I don't know. I would rate it like 80, because it's a good quality, it's comfortable, and as you can see, the flame didn't go out so easily, but it did move it. So I would be a little concerned about that. But again, there's always ways to line this so you don't have to be so worried. Next mask, my favorite mask. I love this mask. It's really comfortable. I just don't like that it goes on like this, so it's like really annoying. So I have to like pull my hair out. Let's try this. Okay, so I usually wear glasses, so the glasses with this together, because you see how tight this is, it usually causes me some pain and headache, tension headaches after a while. But there's no metal in here. It's very contoured to my face perfectly. So let's try this one. This is considered the N95 mask with a filter inside as well. It won't go out. So this one is a good mask. This is 2 thumbs up for this one. This is my go-to mask. I've been wearing this, washing it and re-wearing it. And I always sanitize it, and I actually literally hand wash it like this, like with soap and water. And then I alcohol it, and then I've been reusing this for ever since this whole thing started. Really, really love this mask. If you can get your hands on this, get your hands on it. This is what it's called. This is the company. Really, really, really good mask. Okay? Now, this is the mask that's been going around town that it's supposed to be the best mask ever, the N95. And it is, but it's like the size of my face. Look. It's huge, but you know what? It works. So let's do this. Okay. This one you could adjust here. There is metal. So doctors and painters and people who work with a lot of chemicals, use this mask. So let's try it. This is supposed to be the best mask ever. It won't even move the flame. Guys, this mask is the winner. No air goes in or out of this mask, okay? It is absolutely the best mask ever. Not only saying that because it's the best mask ever, but you can see the inside has a filter. So it filters itself out, filters out the bad and allows the good air to stay in. And this is known to be the best mask. People are being ignorant and selling this mask for like over $200 on eBay or whatever. They're selling Lysol for $300 on eBay. It's ridiculous. But if you can get your hands on either one of these masks, these are the names right here, you should definitely get them. Okay. For all those who just joined, I'll show you again what this cheap mask does. And let's show you what it did. Look at that. So for all you people who walk around with this mask because it's all you have or all you can afford and it doesn't do the proper job, I recommended earlier on in the video that you double or triple it and put a dry Swiffer in the inside and just staple the corners so it doesn't scratch your face, or sew it in, because you can reuse that. You can wash it and reuse it. Okay, so the Swiffer method is it's very comfortable. I tried it. It's very comfortable, first of all, and second of all, nothing goes through, no air, because you have now layered it. So double it, Swiffer it, and you're good to go. And that's the most affordable and convenient, most easiest way I can explain to you and tell you to do this, because this mask is super expensive now. So I hope this video was helpful, and you guys will look into these masks. And I've accumulated a lot of masks, but I'm grateful and I'm happy that I took my COVID-19 test, which is right here. This is a brand new one that I'm gonna wait to do on my parents, on my dad, and mine came out negative. So instructions are right here. If anybody needs a test for at-home use, please inbox me, or if you have my phone number, text me. It's better for me to respond to you quicker. You will have to either pick it up from me or pay a little more for shipping, but it's very good if you do this at-home COVID-19 testing on yourself. It's very easy. You just do it like with your blood. It's kind of like a diabetes at-home test, like a glucose test. And you just put your blood in with the buffer, and you wait 10 to 15 minutes for your results, and you'll know if you have COVID-19 or if you have antibodies or if you're negative. Thank God I'm negative and my mom's negative, but tomorrow we're going to wait to see what's up with my dad. I really hope and pray that he's good. Again, I hope everybody stays safe out there. I hope this video was helpful, and let's just keep praying for one another, and hopefully we can all go back to our normal lives, because this really doesn't feel normal and it's really depressing, but I'm really trying hard not to think that way. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, you can inbox me or text me. Bye.